What's up YouTube, Carlo here, welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going tech and not sneakers. And today, what we're going to do is I'm going to talk about dumping my iPhone 8 Plus for a new smartphone. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a Sean Wotherspoon cap, an Under Armour Hover Sonic, as well as a Fila Pokemon Charizard sneaker now that we've hit 15,000 subscribers. I'll put a link down below on how you guys can join, but to join you need to be able to be subscribed and you need to follow me on Instagram. Do both now. This is my trusty iPhone 8 Plus. It's one of the nicest phones I've ever had, but it's time for me to retire it, mainly because I'm kind of sick of how unstable iOS is already. It keeps crashing, a lot of the apps are starting to lag. There are a lot of stability issues, and I know it's going to be fixed with the next iOS, but I really wanted to try out another device, and I can easily come back to the iPhone anyway later on. So now is a good time to try other brands. So I am now officially retiring my iPhone 8 Plus, and I am now deciding on which of these two phones. You have here the Samsung S9 Plus and the Huawei P20 Pro I will be using as my daily driver. Instead of the S9 Plus, I will be using, let me turn down the light, this new Huawei P20 Pro as my daily driver and my main phone. And for this video, I'll just do a quick unboxing, and then later on, maybe next week, I'll do a full review of this phone. Let's get to it. White box, wrapped in plastic, so we just use this scissors that I have here to be able to open it. This is a device that I got by myself. So please scratch the idea that this is sponsored, I got this phone for free. Pops open like so. And the first thing that you guys see, of course, is the, wow, this looks really nice. You know what? I think I need to turn down the lights a bit. This is the twilight color and it looks dope. It looks crazy. Wow, there's some sort of gradient. It turns from blue, green to purple at the top. It looks really sick. Wow. It's the first time to see this. I haven't reviewed smartphones in a long time. My team over at Unbox does that now. Wow, I'm really impressed. It's light, it feels premium. There's a glass feel to it, feels sturdy. I'm really loving the vibe though. I'm loving the look. Let's do that satisfying tearing of the plastic. Oh yeah. Oh man, look, it really looks nice. I'm not kidding you guys. This is probably the device that you would hate to put the case on because it just looks so fire. So let's tear this open. So we're taking away the plastic for the front. It does come pre-installed with tempered glass. Well, at least that's what I see. So you don't need to get a separate screen protector if you end up getting the Huawei P20 Pro. What else is in the box? So you have your typical manuals with the pin ejector. It does come with a silicone case here, transparent. Now, I won't be using this one because I did buy my own P20 cases. But I'm now kind of really torn because it just looks really super dope without the case. Now, apart from the manuals, you have the typical charger. You have the USB to USB-C cable over here. Went out and bought two cases. This is the Huawei P20 Pro silicone case in dark blue. And this is the P20 Pro Smart View flip cover. 1,000 pesos, 600 pesos over at the Huawei store at Uptown BGC. Look at how nice the color is. I mean, seriously. I'm just too lazy to do really cool B-roll shots. So I'll just show this in the camera so I can do this quick unboxing for you guys. Take a look at those three cameras over there. That's the reason why I picked up this phone. This is supposed to be one of the best phones for your mobile photography needs. And as you guys know, I'm a big Instagram nut, where I post pictures of my shoes. So I'm excited to use this to be able to show off my kicks of the day on my IG account. If you haven't followed me on IG yet, please make sure that you do so now. It looks so much better without the case, but I'm really afraid that the back will get scratched and I hate all the fingerprints thingies. So I'll probably just use the case anyway, but it looks so nice. I mean, seriously, Huawei, major plus points for how good the P20 Pro looks like. Let's turn this bad boy on. I'm pressing the power now. I won't set it up yet because it's going to be a really boring video. I just want to get a vibe or a look of how it, how it looks like when it's turned on, so we see how nice the screen is. So there you have it. That's our straightforward, very simple unboxing of the Huawei P20 Pro. I will be doing a more full review and a comparison with the iPhone, and maybe if I still have this, as well as a comparison with the S9 Plus. And then from there, we'll just see where it goes. Let's see if this is actually worth the money, if this is an iPhone killer in itself, if this is a flagship worthy of the hype that it's been getting for the last few weeks. And that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do stay tuned for the full review in the coming days ahead. I just want to put this quick video together to do an unboxing just so we can do tech again. It's been sneakers for the longest time already. That's it for now. Peace. Have a good weekend. God bless.